Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Kristi. Today I want to do a flip through of this journal I just finished. This is using the collection Honey Blossom by the Book Vandal shop and using a tutorial for Susie's, I think it's the easiest journal she's ever put together, something like that, but everything, all the links will be in the description box. This was so fun. I loved doing this one. The cover idea is actually from a different video of Susie's, and it uses some waxed masking paper, and I've just torn that, sewn around it, used one of the pieces of ephemera from the collection I have sewn on that, did some random sewing in here, and I've used cheesecloth and this crochet trim, another piece of ephemera here. If you want to see how this book is put together, you can go to the playlist. There's a playlist for this Honey Blossom journal. And it's a sewn binding that is unlike anything I've ever seen before. It is super easy and quick, and I just love the way it feels. I have added a piece of linen to the spine. This is a very grungy, I've kind of grunged up everything on the edges and everything, so because I just thought it lent itself to that. But anyway, let's get into this. I have just used this crochet trim to tie the closure there, and the cover, because the book is made entirely out of paper, and in my instance tea-dyed paper, I have matted the front and the inside cover with another piece of 28-pound paper. My tea-dyed paper is also 28 pounds, so it's nice and sturdy. Not, well, yeah, stiff. You can hear it. So it's a nice feel to it. Inside, we've got a library pocket that is part of the collection. With all of this is part of the collection, so I'm not going to say that of the Honey Blossom by the Book Vandal shop. And I have done some sewing around miscellaneous pieces. I have used, on my tea-dyed paper, I used a stencil. It is just a honeycomb stencil, and I think, yeah, it's plaid folk art stencil, and I got that stencil at Walmart. I've sewn some trim on here. We have a belly band here, which I thought was so funny in the style of Susie, and I've just got a piece of writing paper here folded up and tucked inside with a piece of ephemera and some more. I think there's cheesecloth back there and some more of the trim. Excuse me, you can see more of the stenciling. I stenciled every page in the book. Here's some tabs. This is definitely a writing journal. I've left most of the pages, a little bit of ephemera, journal card, blank on the back, of course, tuck spot, but lots of blank pages. Here's a little tag ticket with a banner, and I've put a journal card underneath. This is aligned. Is that upside down? No. Okay. Make sure. Over here I've got a piece of waxed ephemera. What I've done is taken several pieces from the ephemera, make sure I'm on camera there, with some cheesecloth, added some wax pellets and melted that to make a little embellishment there, and I've glued that on as a tuck. Here I have a paper bag that is sewn. You can see the binding. You sew on either side of the center of the first 8 pages, and then you sew 4 pages right down the middle. So you'll have to look at either the video before this in my playlist, or you'll have to look at Susie's video to see how she did it. She is in the playlist. I've used some of these hexagons and decorated this craft bag, put another card inside with some trim. And like I said, plenty of space for writing. And this batch of tea-dyed paper came out great too. I love it. I did take some of the cut-offs and kind of crinkle that up and make a paper ribbon. Here's the center of the journal. And I've got the corner pockets with some tags. I've added some trim. Up here I have some trim and some cheesecloth. Same thing on this side with, of course, the stenciling on the page. So yeah, this was so fun. I really love this style. I'll be making more of these. So, and then the back is pretty much, I usually do the same front and back. I have left, like I said, all of the journal cards blank. And I sewed around most of the pieces. Not all. Here's the other waxed ephemera piece with a tag there. Here's the other banner. The other tuck with another journal card. And I still have a ton of ephemera left. Here's the another belly band with one of these little trifold pieces. Oops. Another tab here. This tab says honey, this tab says bee. And then I've got more crochet trim, and then there's another library pocket here in the back. Plenty of room to add more. I just think this feels nice. I really like the way it came out. And I have a bee somewhere, a little bee charm around here somewhere that I hope to add to this cover, but I have to locate it. So anyway, I think that turned out great, and I love Dawn's kit, and I love Susie's method of making this simple journal. So I hope you'll check out their channels. All of their links are in the description box below. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great weekend.